go plow the roads. Not much snow, but lots of ice. So it's all freezing rain. We got probably about 3 inches, not even 3 inches of snow. It's all freezing rain coming from that storm that we got. Yeah, the roads are really slippery. Yeah, it's... Alright. See how bad it is. Yeah, four-wheel drive. Let's see if we can make this hill right here. This one's gonna be the tough hill right across the road here. Oh, she doesn't want to make this. Oh, she's slippery. We're making her though. Oh boy. Oh, all over the place. 35 mile an hour. It's tough to see right now because all this is sleeting. This is nasty up here. You see the snow. That noise you hear again, that's freezing rain. They called us out at 2:50 to plow the roads. You just, as you're going along, you can just feel yourself drifting off the road. I'm doing... I'll check out the lights on. It's my four-wheel drive in here. Doing about 30 maybe. It is just nasty. So that storm that's coming up the East Coast, it's here. Again, we got the snow, freezing rain, and then later on today it's just supposed to turn all the snow eventually. But I look ice in the snow. Alright, so that's my update for that storm. If you like this video, again, please hit the subscribe button and share it. Like, I gotta put you down because it's a lot more slippery right now. Unfortunately, I can't do a video of me plowing the road. It's against state policy, so that wouldn't be good. Wouldn't be good to hold the phone and videotape while I'm plowing. It doesn't look bad, it's bad. There's a car that's ahead of me. He was up. I see him over there. He was at the hill earlier and I caught up to him. I am all over the place. I hope, no, the guy ahead of me, he's the one he rides plow with us. You have to have a wingman. We actually have wings on our plow trucks. And man, this is pulling my truck all over the place. This is why when they say stay off the roads for people that don't need to be out, don't go out. Let us go out so we can open the roads for you. We have a hard enough time getting to our trucks to get the roads clear, let alone getting, people getting in the way. There's a guy up there, looks like he broke down. Broke down or he's stuck. He's spinning. He's just spinning. Poor guy. Front wheel drive, not good in the snow. Ooh. Alright, putting you back down. Up. There's a tanker truck up here stuck. Hey, he can't. He ain't going anywhere. We're gonna try towing him. It's a fuel truck. I'm gonna try to pull that guy up and over this little bridge here. When you get freezing rain like this, you want to leave the snow down if you can. All right. Thanks again, guys. Got to get to work. Make these roads safe. So the storm's not over. It's 8 o'clock at night. We just got done with the roads. Can't keep up with it. We don't run around the clock on our country roads, so I've been up since 2:30 and sorry, I'm a little tired. 2:30 in the morning. So whatever that is till now. I just left work, so I went in at 2 o'clock this morning, and it's 8:30 at night, so that's a long day. And then we got to go right back again at 2 o'clock tomorrow morning, so I'll get about 4 hours sleep, maybe 5 hours sleep with that, and hit them again. So that snowstorm, Izzy, whatever they call that, come up the coast, we're still getting it. This will all turn over eventually to lake effect snow off the lake. That's what we normally get. Really, really tired, but just keep going. Been doing it for a lot of years. I'll let you enjoy the view a little bit. Drifting. Oh, ice there. So that's it for the storm. Gonna keep coming. I'm going to bed. Didn't get a lot of snow. We got quite a bit, but for this area, not too bad. Got the heater going off to plow the roads again. It's 3:30 in the morning. That's it. Izzy's gone. So we're going to work, plow the roads again. You can see where last night we went out, we put salt down, it worked, which is good. We got a lot of that freezing rain the other night, more than we got snow. We still got quite a bit. We probably got about 7 to 8 inches, which around here, it's not too bad. We get that quite a bit in the winter time. We can deal with it. We got the machinery to deal with it. 3:33 in the morning. Woo-hoo. I went to bed at 9 o'clock last night, so long day. Another long day today, and then hopefully we're supposed to just get cold weather, which would be a lot better. This hill's usually pretty tough to climb. Yeah. You see them? That one come out the road there. I've seen them almost 4 feet high up through here before. I run the big snow blower and it gets pretty nasty. Yeah, that one right there, that's a huge drift. That's a deep drift right there. Come all the way out. Oh yeah, look at it. That's deep. So you're blowing across. Alright, thanks for viewing. Storm Izzy. It's over with. It's moved out. And we're still here. That's awesome. See ya.